That Zaid?
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck?
Green garbage truck.
No, it's for cleaning.
Green.
Yes.
This crane.
I think it's like a crane.
Crane.
Yeah.
Crane.
The,
This crane truck.
the men will clean the windows.
Window.
Yes. See? The men will lift that one there, and then they will go up and clean the windows. Look. Yeah, people are not allowed to go near that side because it's dangerous. Yes. 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 Some object may
Crane.
fall and look.
This crane.
Yes, the man will go up.
Up.
Yes, the crane will raise the man up.
Up.
Look, let's wait, okay?
This way.
Look, look. The crane will raise the two men up. Look.
Up. Up.
Yes.
Up.
Up, up, up.
Up.
See, there's a sound. Shink.
See?
Yes.
Crane.
Yeah. Let's wait, okay? The crane is running.
Crane.
Oh, yes, look, 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 look.
Go up.
Go up, up.
Oh. Hey, truck. Truck. Oh, pick up. Oh, wait, crane.
Yes, the crane.
Going up.
Yes, going up. The two men go up and will clean the window.
Window.
Yes.
The crane going up.
Mm. It's very dangerous, baby, no? Yes. They need to work because they need to feed their kids. Yes. If they are not working, they will not get money. Without money, they cannot buy food for their family.
Car.
Mm.
Oh,
Look.
this car coming.
The two men started to clean.
Oh, this car coming.
Oh, there's a police car there. Oh.
Wait.
No, the police car already left.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
The Amos are cleaning the window. You want to clean the window also? Huh? You want to go there and clean? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? You want to clean? Oh, clean our window. Clean our window here. Clean the window. Cleaning by your head. So naughty, is it? Huh?
Play Baba car.
Oh, that one? Is it Baba's car? Oh, Baba is back. Baba is back.
The crane is going up.
Yes. The two men are cleaning the window.
The window.
Yes. Smile, look at Mama. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Smile.